Hello architects and engineers and other workers who need the use of contours in their works, especially making buildings, making roads. There are a lot of ways, there are a lot of steps, a lot of methods to make contours, but here is one of the ways that I want to share with you, which is to use the global mapper. First of all, you have to go to the Google Earth Pro, then open I have made my Google Earth to default to my home area, but then I have to search for the area that I want to make a building from. My site is in Rugoro, it is in Karuruma, Kigali. You search that area, and then they bring it. When they bring it, you put this polygon tool over here, and then try to draw over that area of yours. Try to adjust the edges and the point, the vertices, to make sure that it covers fully your area. You can change the color. I come that is blue. You can also change by the way the name of the area by coming here to the properties, let's think this polygon, and then it goes to the properties. You rename this one as Rugoro site, and then click OK. In this sidebar on the left, you find your area here, Rugoro site, where you can right click on that and click save place as, and by default KMZ comes and you choose that one. There is also KML, but you choose KMZ, which is the default value for choosing. Then you click save on the desktop. You close, or you even you do what you want, but what you have to do with Google Earth, it is finished. But then you come to the Google Map, you open it, when it opens, you go here to the open files, you go to your desktop, your other website here on the desktop, click open, and here is your site, and as it's Google site. Then you go to this button here which says connect to online data, and then you click on that, where you are shown a lot of sources of maps and different elevation data, shows different levels of the earth. I like to use this second one, which is called SRTM worldwide elevation data. I choose that one, I click connect, I zoom, and then you find that it has come, but then it has covered my site, where I have to go back to the layers and then bring it down so that it comes on top, as you see. Again, I go to this button, connect to online data. I click on that to put word imagery, so that it brings the picture of the Google Earth picture where the location of my site is. Then it has covered my site. Again, I have to bring it down so that it comes in front. These three are enough, so I have to go to this one which it says get contours. I click on that where they bring a lot of box having a lot of things, a lot of tabs, simplification, tiling, contour bounds, but then I don't deal with a lot of them. I just change this contour interval where by default there's 5 meters by default, but then because my set is small, I can change it to 2. But for you, depending on the extent of your site, you can make it 10 or 15 or 20. But let me use 2. As you can see, my contours are formed with the labels showing the elevation on them. So that is it. But then my set is again covered. So let me bring it down the contours. As you can see, this is how it is. So this is it. Your contours are formed. The remaining thing is to export your contours. But before exporting your contours to AutoCAD, you have to come here to this button which says configure and click on that and come here to the projection, and where the projection says that and longitude, you convert it to UTM. As you click apply, you can see some small change on the way contours are. Yeah, it's not big, but it's small, and that's okay for it. Then the rest is to go to your file, click on export, go to export vector/reader format, DWG, this is the AutoCAD file, click OK. Then here also there are a lot of things you can change, but I like to change only one. Where on this tab called export bounds, and I go to the draw a box over where I want, and I normally cover only my area and just a very small part around it, and I click OK. I click OK again. They bring me where to show where I want to save my file. I still go to the desktop and name it Goro. Click save, and that is it. But then I can also save this global mapper file by going to file, save workspace, and then choose the desktop also, choose global. Save. Then you can close the global map also. You can double click on this file to go contours, or you can open AutoCAD first. And then here you go to open, go to the desktop, and then choose Google Contours, click open, and here comes your site with your contours, but then it's heavy because of these fields, but I like to grade them by clicking on one of them and then right clicking to select similar and then delete. So I'm remaining with only my contours and my site. But then there are some text here which I want to create. Because I don't need them, they just keep themselves. But after the normal labels, the true labels are exactly located with the line. So I did the other one. So I think that's it. But then I have to go to this box cube. This cube I place here on the front, so that so as to show it as an elevation. You can see that my contours are really showing how different levels they are, as you can see. But then when you zoom, you find out that this is they are located on different levels so much, which is why we need to take this and M for moving, press OK, and then try to bring them down, but then it doesn't work. But then we can use another method for moving this thing, where we change this UCS. You have to go to the, by being here in the front elevation, you press UCS, press OK. You come here to the command line, you press view. By pressing view, you see that the view becomes top, and then we can change this one M. We press M, we bring this down, try to make it near this blue line for the side to go. We almost be around it like this, and then yeah, that's it. Then change our UCS back to the wide one, and then when you come to the other one, this elevation becomes front again, and then this is the front elevation. Then we go to the top. You find out that in the floor plan this is how it looks like. But then when you go to the front elevation, you see the levels, and but being near where the site is. Even when you go to this side of the right, you can see that there are different levels, but still they are with the side. They are not far from the side. Even the right one or even the back one. Yeah. And let's go back to the, I think, and you have to go in the elevation and find this part where lines are located at different levels. Otherwise your contours are messed up, or you have not achieved it in the Google mapper. So you click on save here on top, save, and then you can cross. So if you use REVIT, you can open REVIT, go to the new metric, of course, template architectural, because most of us are architects, but even engineers can use construction or any other template one. Open. Go to the site level. Then go to the search tab. You can use the ArchiCAD or you can use AutoCAD. Both works. It depends on what that. If you plan on changing your AutoCAD file, then you can use Link. If you don't plan that, or if you want to use what is available, you can use AutoCAD. And then go to the desktop where the CAD file is. Choose the logo contours. You can't change anything here, but even if you don't change it, you click OK. And here is your contours with your site as well. You click on the site, go to the query, you click on the line. You can see that the layer or the level is called contour line minor. The same here, unknown area type. Yeah, so they show you what this CAD file means, but then this is what it is. This is enough. Press escape, and then you go to the massing and type the surface, and then choose this thing which says create from import, and select from import instance. You click on this, you click none, and choose the one which have labeled contours. Contour line immediate, contour line major, contour line minor. Click OK, and you see your surface formed already. You can easily be seen. You can press finish surface, this button, this green button here, and then go to the 3D, find out what you have done. You can see your site. I can change the look of it by going here to the visual style. I choose realistic. As you can see, this is it. This selection of the contours, you can hide it by PH, and then you will get it because the contours are fixed with them. You can use section box here and try to make your site look very good. Then select your object, then you also have it if you want, and that is it. And you put this command so that look at the side. Here it is. This is how it is. You can select it and move your position by pressing MV for moving. Then you take up if you want. And that is it. That is it for sure. This is how to make it. That is it. That is how it is done in REVIT. For ArchiCAD, you have to do that as well. The other ArchiCAD file in ArchiCAD. In ArchiCAD, when it's open, you can delete these elevation markers, and then whichever way you use, but I normally reduce the ArchiCAD file and then drag this file, which is called Google Contours, drag it inside the ArchiCAD and choose place content module. I set variable draw one drawing unit and I can be one. Yeah, this is okay. Select missing files, escape all. In my set is also here. There you have to use the mesh tool. You can change this mesh tool to it's clear, it's transparent. I think this is not model issue, it is the floor plan. And change this one to be airspace. Also, when it's shifted 50%, I think you can help now. Includes airspace. It's okay. But then it's not fitting as well. Yeah, but it tries to help. I think it's order to the back. No, that's not him. Can go to the sub, cut surfaces, cut line, cover field. Or I can remove the cover field totally. Yeah, it makes it appear, but then does without hiding the contours. So I choose it. And then with the mesh tool, I press the space bar and then fill this line. Usually just okay. This one Go to the third one. And as you know, even if I take this away, if it contours, I think nothing has worked here. And then I can I think it's better to extract this first. Exploding paper is good. Here it is. I can do this. So I am remaining my site node, my mesh with my explodable contour. So I choose this one as the mesh tool, and I press spacebar to fit this line to its edges. Yeah, fit this one to its edges. I choose this. As you know, can take my site away. Can take my site away from this. With these lines, and therefore, no need of this. Then on this point, I put elevation in Z, then I put 1000 millimeters. I click it. I put 2000 millimeters because I am working in millimeters. Go to this one. I put 5000 millimeters. I go to that. I put 6000 millimeters. I go to this. 2000 millimeters. I go to this. 8000 millimeters. 9000 millimeters. And that's the And that's basically it. How it controls from Google Earth to Global Mapper to AutoCAD and then finally to REVIT or ArchiCAD, depending on which software you use for your CAD drawings. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Subscribe to the channel. You will see a lot of videos like these ones. You will learn a lot of things from CAD file to any other format. Thanks.